How to request additional accommodations. This video is for you if you already have or have ever had accommodations at Lewis & Clark and you would like to request new or additional accommodations. In Accommodate, requesting additional accommodations is called making a supplemental request. To make a supplemental request, log into your Accommodate account. On the left-hand side of the homepage, select Accommodation, then Supplemental. If you have any active or archived supplemental requests, you'll see them here. To submit a new supplemental request, select Add New. Fill out the form, including selecting the additional accommodations you'd like to have considered. Upload documentation if you have any to share. When you're done, hit Submit. You'll see the request you just submitted under the Active tab. After you submit your request, look out for communication from OSA about your next steps, which usually arrives via email. This might include a request for you to schedule a meeting to discuss your request further. If your supplemental request is approved, you'll receive news of this via email, and you will need to sign a letter acknowledging and accepting the additional accommodations. To do this in your Accommodate account, click on Accommodation, then Accommodation Letters. Letters that you need to sign will have the word Requested next to them. Click the link, review the letter, and if it looks accurate, type your name in the box at the bottom to sign, then hit Save. You may review your letter, generate a PDF, or print it at any time. After you sign the letter, don't forget to submit a new semester request to inform your faculty of your new accommodations. Your professors are informed about your accommodations only via the semester request process. See our video called How to Submit a Semester Request for more information. Once your supplemental request has been processed, an OSA staff member will archive it, and you will see it under the Archived tab in the Supplemental section of your account.